Hey guys, thank you for watching our new video. Aidan and I just came back from our trip to Chile. And sometimes to come back to reality might be really hard. So we wanted to take it slow and relax at home. But as some of you might know, it's fest season in New Orleans. And after 1 year in lockdown, we're definitely not missing these events. Yep, I'm talking about the French Quarter Fest and the Jazz Fest. Today, there's this French Quarter Festival that starts and lasts till Sunday. Okay, todo esto yo lo estaba diciendo en español, no sé por qué ahora lo estoy diciendo en inglés. Pero hoy día vamos a ir a este festival, que es el primer día. Y es abierto, es gratis. Y tú vas por las calles, dicen, y te vas encontrando con diferentes escenarios. Así que we are going to bike over there. During the first day, we went to check out a couple of the first stages and then meet with my friend Blaine. We enjoyed some amazing music, beers, and finished the day with delicious food.
There we go, all right.
The next day, we bike again but decided to walk further and get a little deeper in the French Quarter.
That means the people in the back too. Everybody. Come on. Everybody. Get up on the floor. Everybody. Get up on the floor. Everybody. Get up on the floor. Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands up.
It's time for Jazz Fest. For this one, you only grab a good hat, your beach chair, and sunscreen. We drove to Bayou St. John and made our way to the fairgrounds. This festival lasts 2 weekends, but we are only attending for 2 days. During these times, people in New Orleans open their houses to family and friends, enjoy music, food and drinks before and after the fest. In our first day, we got some food and walked around to see all of the cool stuff from this year's fest. It got so hot that I was really having a hard time. Here's a picture of me sleeping on the floor because of the heat. Yes.
Are you gonna survive? Is Connie gonna? The real question is, will Connie be able to put up with the heat today?
Pucha, no sé. Ojalá. I think I'm.
No te creo mucho.
I think I'm better prepared today, but we'll see. It's very hot. It's Sunday, and there are so many people. Today, instead of walking around, we're trying some more food, and like you heard, we're getting ready for the Red Hot Chili Peppers. We could also see a mini parade from the Mardi Gras Indians. When Jasper, you get a crawfish, Monica. Crawfish, Monica! I see it! Before the Red Hots were announced, the Foo Fighters were the ones playing, but unfortunately the plans changed. So the band Dumps the Funk did a little tribute in their name.